Hey guys, this is my website. Just thought I'd show you around a little bit. So if you're into stockbroking, this is very useful to just come online and have a quick look for what you're interested in. You can scroll down here, see top gainers, top losers. This is live, so it is updating every 5 to 10 seconds. This is a news feed for the latest news as well. If you want to analyze a stock, you can for free when you are logged out. If you want more access, then you have to log in, register and log in, and then you can run 5 per day for free. If you want more, then you can register. So I'll show you real quick. So let's say you wanted to have a look at Apple. Analyze. This takes about 5 seconds. So here you get a live update. So Apple, what's the current price? And this gives you a graph of what 99% of people want to look at. So the resistance, the support, there's 3 lines as well. There's your blue line is the price, so this is the key up here. Blue line is the price. You've got your 20-day moving average, your 50-day moving average, and your 52-week highs and lows. So this is the 52-week high, this is the 52-week low, and you can also see the volume and RSI. So those are common. So just you could update this, and you can see an update of all of these statistics put into one, and at the same time you can see these news. You can see new breaking news on it. So this one's just come out, so you can see information on exactly what's going on. If you want, you can go to the full article, or you can analyze it and just do another update on here. Down here you can see a very large range of information. The main one here that you'd look at, you're looking at the score. So over all of these statistics that it provides, the metrics, risk, and this is the score, so you can actually see how it's scoring it. So if you're interested in how it's getting that score, you can look through it all here and get the calculation. So this is just typical what you'd want to look at, but it just gives it to you all in one go very simply. So technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk analysis, action. So it's advising based on this information, what's your best bet, when should you buy, when should you sell, if you should hold, etc. And that's it. So that's for specific stocks. If you want to go on, you can also do crypto in here. You can put anything in here, and it will find it. So if you wanted, Bitcoin US, there's Bitcoin. If you wanted it in Australia, there it is. So you can put anything at all in here to analyze it. There are some other analysis in here as well. So you can look at trading signals. You do the same thing, put it in here, and you can see trading signals here. You could also look at a lot at the same time. You separate it by a comma, and so you could put 5 in here at once, 10 at once, whatever you want. Screeners. So if you're the type that likes to find stocks that might be maybe they've just done a huge drop, so you wanted to look at 1,000 stocks at once, and this will analyze them and choose the best stocks and order them. So I'll just do 100. These will all go at the same speed. It doesn't matter if it's huge, it doesn't matter if it's small. They will all analyze at the same time. It's about 5 seconds. It's very quick. Here we'll get a summary. So this isn't the full screener. This is the top 10. So you see the top 10 here. So it's analyzed 100 of them, and it's ordered them. So let's put this one at the top, second, third. it does have details on the first three of how it calculated it. So you can sort of see the score on why it chose that one here. So there was just the top three. Yeah, so it got 99 out of 100. Most of them, not too bad. So some positive, some negative. And so if you wanted to see details on this, I'm not going to cover it in this session, but you'd then go to the dashboard, and this is where you sort of set everything up for yourself. So you can see how I've created some favorites. So this is where I favorite things. So if the new reports this is the one that I just ran. So if you want to see the report that you just ran, you download it, and it will download a CSV, and it will show the 100 stocks, and it will have 26 columns. So there's a lot of information here per stock, and it's ordered. I'm not going to go through that on this session because that would take a while. I'll quickly go through these. So for example, these favorites that I've got here, I did this just because it's interesting to see how everything's going across the board. So this is, the UK, this is crypto, tech, Australia. So it's sort of a mixed bag of these screeners, because this is 100 stocks involved in here. Here's another 100, here's another 100, here's 200 on this one. And so you could come in here, and this is where it was at. I put this note in here, so you can put anything you want in here, but I put this note in here because I wanted to see each time I log in, so say every 2 days or every day, how often you log in, I like to check what this was at last time I ran it, and then I do a refresh. So it's doing the recalculation of the average of all these stocks in here. And then you can sort of have an idea, okay, well, last time I took this note down, it has gone down, right? This one got better, so crypto got better, which is accurate, yeah. So today it crypto got a bit better, it's moving up. Tech is getting worse, and S&P slightly worse, etc. You can also see some details on it. So you click this one. I'll do the US. Oh, actually, I'll do one that's moved a bit more. So this one's moved the most, 9%. So you can see it's. I think this has been going for maybe just since the February 25th. So from February 25th to March 12th is how long I've been looking at this, and you can see this is the graph of it, of what it's been doing so far. So this graph will just keep moving across, and overall from this is showing the top 10. So again, that you run the screener, and then these stocks are the top 10. So it's like saying, okay, it thinks that these are the top 10. Let's check and confirm if they will be the top 10. So in this case, the whole market's tanking. So obviously it's not going to be right. But for the top 10, these ones really should be tanking. Not as bad as others. So 2 of them are still going up. So this one has gone up 24%. So it was right on this one. So it's calculating which ones are the best bet to go up, basically. And then you can sort of determine how accurate it is by looking at that as well. Over here, like I said, you've got these more popular stocks to look at. So, and ETS and all sorts of things in here. So let's say I wanted to check this one, and I wanted to check this one, so I'm clicking them. So now it's running an analysis, right? And I wanted to run this one, so S&P 500. Okay, I want to check Bitcoin. I'm clicking them, so you see it's running the analysis. I can click as many as I want and as fast as I want. I can do whatever I want here, and then you will see them. So here they are down here. So I just ran this, so see they're coming in about the same time. This is the first one that we ran today, the S&P 500, and then I did 4 clicks and we analyzed 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can view the report in here, and you can see what it's doing, same as what we went through before. So we can click these ones as well. And it's just a good central location to sort of very quickly customize it to how you like and get an update. You can also analyze the stock right here as well if you want to analyze it. If you want to analyze a specific stock, or you can just click these if you want to run them there as well. Here, if you analyze them, it also just runs it in the background. So I don't know, let's just do Bitcoin again. And you can see it's running again. And it's complete. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let me know if you've got any questions. You can also chat here as well, and you can ask any questions here to the chat bot, and it understands the site. So if you had questions, you could ask it questions as well.